Hello and welcome back everyone to another video from 2-Minute Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Bing.ai. So let's get started right away. First of all, you're going to want to open up your web browser, so go ahead and open it up. Now in the address bar, just type in bing.com/?AI and then press enter. You will now be taken into the AI-powered Bing search page. Now you can immediately start using Bing AI search, or you can sign into your account by clicking on the sign in button at the top right corner. After you click on it, you will be asked to sign in to your Microsoft account. So just go ahead and enter your phone number, your username or your email address and then click on the next button. You will now be asked to enter your password. So just go ahead and type in your password and then click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your account with Bing AI. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account with Bing AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.